Today's medical-centric topic is, in a toxic friendship, here's what to look for and how to handle it. Friendship should feel safe, uplifting, and supportive, not exhausting or one-sided. But sometimes, a friend you once felt like family starts to drain your energy, mess with your peace, or even make you question your worth. That might be more than a rough patch. It could be a toxic friendship. Here's how to spot the signs and what to do about it. First, what makes a friendship toxic? It's not just about disagreements or bad moods. A toxic friendship is one that consistently brings negativity, stress, or emotional harm into your life, and it's more common than you'd think. Red flags to watch for. You feel anxious before seeing them. They constantly put you down or make jokes at your expense. The friendship feels one-sided. You give, they take. They gossip about you or others. You leave hangouts feeling drained, not energized. They're competitive, manipulative, or guilt trip you often. They dismiss your feelings or make everything about themselves. Still not sure? Ask yourself, do I feel better or worse after spending time with them? Can I be myself, or am I always filtering what I say? Do they show up when I need them, or only when it benefits them? If the answer stings, that's your gut talking. What to do next? 1. Set boundaries. Start small. If they constantly text you during work hours, say, "I'm not available during the day, but I'll reply after 6. If they trash talk others, let them know you're not comfortable with that. 2. Have the hard conversation. If the friendship meant something to you, it's okay to talk it out. Use I statements. I've been feeling overwhelmed after our conversations, and I just need some space to reset. Keep it calm and honest. 3. Take space. Not all friendships need a dramatic ending. Sometimes pulling back slowly, less texting, fewer hangouts, helps create distance without confrontation. 6. Let it go if needed. If the behavior continues or worsens, it's okay to walk away. You're not obligated to keep someone in your life just because you have history. 5. Focus on healthy connections. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, respect your boundaries, and value you for who you are.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.